It is April Fool's Day. Whoosh!
Oh, Rand. I was wondering where you were. When are we gonna be doing
April Fool's Day!
April Fool's Day? Let's prank more people.
Yes, squish! Hello, old man. Oh, hey. Wait, did you just call me old man? Do you even know my name? I'll look into it. And I'm gonna just make some bricks. No biggie. It's a go.
Yeah.
Ugh. Crazies. Wait, what the? It's just soup. Wait. Oh, heck no. Oh, no, 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 no. What are you doing? And why is everything so low quality? Baby potatoes!
Wah, wah,
Why is it? What is
wah.
this? Little potatoids. I think that's how you say it. What the heck is wrong with that one? Yeah, that's a powerful being known as laughter. What even? Ah!
Red, there's only 30 minutes till it's not.
April Fools! Oh shoot, we still have a lot of people to prank. We already lowered the quality. Just next frame. What the? Red, why do we look like this? Blue tone. Why? Next, Void. Next. Ragdoll. The end.